What I want to do is one of the photographs of the train that I took, yeah? Oh, just one. It's got to stay there. Can you get that in focus?
Yeah, it's in focus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that you've just got the picture on, have you?
Oh no, right.
And don't forget you've got to press the focus when I drop it, yeah? To focus on me.
Yeah.
Right, start rolling if you want to. Oh!
Oh bollocks, she's walked in at the wrong point.
Yeah, just wait a minute. How about that?
I wonder if a lot of walked in.
No, it's alright. Hey?
I see you brushed your hair for this.
Right. Roll them.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's still rolling.
Is it rolling?
Yeah.
Jolly good. Oh, sorry.
That's alright, it's alright.
You got that?
Well, I've seen it, yes.
Yeah, good. Bebo. Jesus. Right. That was a photo that I took in 2017 of a train at the Midland Railway Centre, Ripley, Derbyshire. And I sort of blew it up a bit and buffed it out with it a bit and printed it up a bit and stuck it on some foam board. I quite like that. It's kind of, well, it is, it's not kind of. It's an introduction. Let me get that. Introduction to the new series of YouTube videos that we're going to do. Harry and me, aren't we, Harry?
Yes.
Good. Speak up, Dad. The audience
Yes.
the audience can't hear you. Right, it's about model railways. Photo wasn't a model railway, it was a proper one. Actually, I used to work there for a while, just as what do they call it when you don't work for any money? Volunteer.
Volunteer.
Yeah, because I used to do a lot of machining for the guy who was renovating one of these big steam engines. Anyway, we've moved to France now. It's a long way to go just for the weekend to do a bit of machining, so I don't get to do that now. And the French aren't into their model railways, into their steam railways in the same way as the English are. So the only way out of that is to build yourself a model railway, which is what we're going to do. This is by way of an introduction, really. Our little video at the onset of our Wrinkly time thing did warn you that we'd be doing different modelling things, projects. And we've more or less, all by one I think, probably completed the model aircraft pedal construction. All we had to do there I think was to put some magnets in and stuff the motor in and the bits and pieces, which will take 5 minutes to do that. And then maybe we'll go off and fly it, I don't know yet, we'll see. anyway, the construction was the important thing for me, and the construction of the model railway will be the important thing for me. I've had a few in the past, so the problem being that we've always either moved house or I've not really been too happy with the construction. So it's all been demounted and put into boxes, and it's lying upstairs. That is trains, engines, coaches, rolling stock, trucks all the track, all the buildings. I love building buildings. Scale scenes buildings usually. So I'll be doing some more of those because the ones that I've done probably won't fit on the new layout that I'm going to do. Specific ones to the layout is what I need to look for and to build. So I'll be going through a few of those, building those. We're going to make the layout upstairs here on the mezzanine floor, and the mezzanine is like half the area of this room here, and we'll have a layout. Awfully difficult to decide initially what kind of layout you want. I like one that goes around in circles, but it's always a bit difficult when you've got that kind of layout to reach from one side to the other, which is what we're going to have to do on this layout because of the width of it. Although I've got long arms, I think it's alright. Ones in the past have just been a bit awkward, so this will be a little bit better thought out. We've yet to make the baseboards, but that won't take very long once I've cleared an area for it to go in. And I mean, I've got loads of model plans, railway plans, track layout plans from different sources. I've looked through all Cyril Freeze's books. Some nice ones in there. But the one I've opted for is actually a Hornby plan. Should more or less be that. Yeah, you've got that, huh?
Yep.
So it's an L shape. L shape upstairs, and just to give you the dimensions, I've got to see me put my seeing eye glasses on to find those. It's going to be about 11 foot long at the back, and then the L shape bit is 4 foot long by 3 foot. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 5 stations on it at the moment. Anyway, it's got one of these return loops on it, which I've never done before, and I don't know how to go about the wiring up on that, but we'll look into that as we go. So we'll do that. All the track that I've got is Pico 100 flexible stuff and medium radius points, so hopefully it'll all fit on the boards, and then we'll start doing the weathering, the ballasting, trees. I've already made some trees. I love making trees. That's after making buildings, I like making trees. So we'll do that. And then we'll make a little kind of town, or canals. I love canals, so we'll fit a canal on there with a kind of like a wharf and a few other bits. Take a while, so you'll have to You'll have to bear with us a couple of years, probably. No, we'll do it quicker than that, hopefully. I've got half the boards already, so I just need to go out and buy some more boards for the base of it and stick some legs on it. But the first job to do is to do a bit of clearing up, which is going to take me a couple of days to do, and then we'll start thinking about putting the boards down, shoving some track out, see if it fits, see if we can faff about with it a bit. It's got sort of straight bits, which I don't like. I don't like straight bits. Like this bit here running along the bottom is a bit straight for me. I like it kind of a bit curvy, just so it doesn't get parallel with the edge of the baseboard. Would be nice. And the next video will take you through what we've got as far as engines go. Steam, lots of little diddly steam things. Diesels, got some diesel, I've got a big steam. Got an old Flying Scotsman which makes noise. But it makes noise by rubbing a piece of copper inside a cardboard box in the tender. It's rather good, that. Because we're not going DCC, we are going DC, because it's cost prohibitive for me to change all the points and all the engines over to DCC. Can't quite see the point of it. Ain't got that much money. Life's too short. Let's stick with what we got. Alright, well I hope to see you on the next video. I can't see where you are. Are you there? You're still there. Okay. I hope to see you on the next video. And my lad will put this online soon. Yeah. Bye for now.